Assalamualaikum grade 3. I am your English teacher from Allied School. Today I am going to start your 10th lecture. Open your book at page number 19, Unit 4, Lesson 2. Words, parts of animals. In this chapter you will learn about the parts of the animals. You have to match the animals with their parts. These are the animals and these are the parts. You have to match them. This is the tail. Tail belongs to this sheep. You have to match with the deer. Trunk belongs to elephant. Teeth belongs to crocodile. Claws belong to bears. Spots to snakes, and horns to deer. Which three words have the same singular and plural forms? Right here. Deer. Deer will remain the same word for singular and plural too. Sheep. One sheep is also called sheep, and the more than one sheep are also called sheep. Fish. Students, remember the rule. When we write someone's possession, we'll write the noun, the name of that person. We'll put here comma and s. The girl's home. The house belongs to girl. So we will write here girl's home. The girl is single. We will write here girl, comma and s. The boy's home. Here are the two boys. This is their home. So we will write here boys and we will put here comma after the boys. Look at the picture of the animals in exercise 1 and complete the sentences by using s or s correctly. Look at the tiger stripes. How many tigers are there? There are two tigers, so we will write here tigers. That's the elephant's trunk. There was a single elephant. We will write here elephant, comma and s. Count the snake's spots. The bear's claws are sharp. You will write here bears. Look at the monkey's tails. There were two monkeys. We will write here monkeys. Look at the crocodile's teeth. There was one crocodile. We will write here crocodile and put here comma and s. Students, now open your book at page number 20, Unit 4, Lesson 3. Read and answer. What did the thief steal? Look here. This is the article of a newspaper. Here are some stories of the robbery. You will first read them and then answer these questions. The people of Boston are worried because they think there is a thief in their town. Mr. Baker, who lives at number 11, he has lost his watch. Mrs. Starless, who lives at number 20, she has lost her diamond necklace. And Miss Parker, who lives at number 12, she has lost her car keys. Grace Farmer, she is 11 years old and she lives at number 19. She has lost her hairband. They were all worried. Everybody in Broad Street is asking questions about the thief. Is it one person or it's a team? Does the thief steal things at night? Can the thief climb in through the bedroom? Now this is a question. What did the thief steal? Hairband, watch, necklace and car keys. Students, look here in exercise 2. Find and circle phrases from the newspaper article to describe them. This hairband belongs to Grace Farmer. You will write here Grace Farmer, Miss Parker, Mr. Baker and Mrs. Starlet. You have to write it on your book. Now on page number 21, read the article and answer the questions. Who found the stolen things? First of all, you have to read this article and then answer the questions. Why can't the police catch the thief? The people in Broad Street have found the thief, but the policeman cannot catch them. Dan Bate told his story to a reporter. I was playing football. Dan Bate, he was playing football near an empty house in Broad Street with his friend. They were using the door for the garage as their goal. Dave kicked the football too high. It landed on the flat roof of the garage and the big magpie flew away. They climbed up the apple tree next to the garage and onto the roof to get the football. It was next to the magpie's nest. In the nest there were 2 eggs and some other things, including a necklace and a watch. He was very surprised, so he went and told his father. His father called to the police. A zookeeper explained to reporter, magpie loves bright things. They often collect them for their nest. The police told a reporter, we have given all the things back, but people must be careful. They must not leave the bright things next to open windows. The problem is this is the one thief we can't catch. Here are the answers of this question. Who found the stolen things? Dan Bates. Why can't the police catch the thief? Because it's a bird. Police can't catch a bird as a thief. In exercise 5, write the sentences in correct order in your notebook. First one, Dan and Dave played football. It comes at number 3. Dan climbed onto the garage roof. It will become at number 5. The thief stole some things from the houses in Broad Street is number 1. Dan found the lost things in the magpie's nest is number 6. Dave kicked the ball onto the garage roof is number 4. The people told the police there was a thief is at number 2. Students, now open your English grammar book at page number 28. Lesson 9 is contractions. We will learn about contractions. In contractions, we contract words. In contraction, we make the words smaller. We remove certain letters and put an apostrophe. An apostrophe goes in the place of the removed letters. For example, I am. We will contract like this. I. Letter A is removed. You are. Your. He is, his, she is, she's, it is, its, we are, we're, they are, there. Now first exercise is copy these sentences in your notebook after contracting the underlined words. I am going to the zoo. You will write here I, apostrophe, am. Your, you, A will be inserted. He is, his, we are, we're, she is, she's, they are, there. On page number 29, write the full form of the following words. Some have been done for you. She'll, she will, he will, they shall, we shall, they have. Copy these sentences in your notebook. Write the full form of the contracted words. Now you have to write the full form. He will, she will, we are, they have. Match the contractions to their expanded forms. Wouldn't, would not, couldn't, could not, hasn't, has not, haven't, have not, isn't, is not, hadn't, had not, wasn't, was not, can't, cannot, don't, do not. Complete these sentences with appropriate constructions of your own. I was not happy with what I saw. I wasn't happy. If you are not ready on time, you will miss the train. We are going to the hall for dance rehearsal. Where? Is he not coming with us? Isn't he? Read this dialogue, complete it with suitable contractions. I am going to the market. Will you come with me? No, Anthony, I can't because I am going to see a movie with my cousins. Have you purchased the tickets? No, not yet, but I'll buy them as soon as we reach the theatre. How many of you are going? We are 5 of us. What will we do in case of you don't get the tickets? Oh, in that case, we'll go to the mall and do some shopping.